The maintenance required light is a reminder to change your engine oil and engine oil filter. Depending on your year or model, this light will typically come up around the 5,000 to 10,000 mile mark. To reset this service reminder light on a Toyota or Lexus, follow the steps outlined below carefully. 1. Make sure that the total mileage covered displays on the cluster, not the trip A or trip B reading. 2. With the ignition set to the off position, depress the button protruding from the instrument cluster where the odometer reading is displayed. 3. With your finger still depressing the knob, turn the ignition key to the on position, but do not start the vehicle. 4. The display will flash diminishing dashes. 5. At the end of the diminishing dashes, 6 zeros will display shortly, followed by the original odometer reading of the vehicle. 6. At this point, the service reminder light will go off and it will be safe to take off your hand from the knob and key. 7. It will also be safe to power off the ignition at this point and completely remove the key, waiting for the next cycle. Catch you on the next one, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if this short clip helped you reset your service reminder light.